What's up guys, welcome back to the Mud Vlog. So today I'm gonna be doing something that I probably should have done a while ago. We're gonna be doing something. I got a new steering wheel, so good old Thrash Racing. Shout out to Wyatt for selling me the steering wheel. We're gonna go ahead and take this one off and throw that baby on there. From what I see right here, we're gonna take off this plastic piece. From what I was looking at the videos, it should be a T30. Before I do that, I don't want to forget, I'm gonna disconnect the battery just for safety. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. So now that the battery's disconnected, we can go ahead and start the process. All right, so it looks like there's little screws that you gotta unscrew because this is the since this car is right-hand drive, it also could be a little different than, you know, the USDM spec. All right, so it turns out the only tool I don't have is an actual screwdriver. I have adapters and stuff, but not an actual screwdriver. So now I gotta go to AutoZone to go get a screwdriver. So yeah, we're gonna go into AutoZone and be right back. All right, so finally made it back. Finally got the screwdriver. Now we're gonna go ahead and finally start on it.
The punk tries to throw me off a train. We get into a fight and he falls off. Cops ask me why I did a thing like that. I tell him why. For 3 hours I tell him. Don't believe me.
Finally got those pieces out. Thank goodness. Now we can disconnect this. There we go. Got them out. So there's another bolt under the steering wheel that I gotta get right here, and hopefully this will get so we can take the actual cover off. There we go. There it is. And then there's a little clip, like a tab right here. Hold on, let me show you really quick. There's a bolt literally right under, right here. That's where the one bolt is to end up to get it, the front cover off. And then there's also bolts under here to get the covers off that you have to get to. And then this thing just pops right off. And you just have one tab that you gotta, hold on. There's like a little clip there. So you, like what you can do, you can get a little flathead, push up against it and then pull out. We're gonna take one of these, get a little flathead adapter, and we'll remove that tab. Just like that. Really good. No airbag. This is what happens when you get a car from Japan. You get no airbag. There's a bolt right in the middle that you gotta basically undo. So that bolt right there should be an 18mm. So it looks like it's a 19mm socket for that bolt for the Japanese Supras. Jeez. Oh, well, it got loose. Good. Should be able to wiggle this off. There we go. A little rough. Oh, there it is. Steering wheel removed. Good old stock Supra steering wheel. Steering wheel, I can't talk. Alright, so once you get the steering wheel off, you can go ahead and take the, well, I got the Workspell short hub. Actually, Madison got it for me over there. Before we put the hub on and tighten down everything, they basically made an adapter that I can hook up the horn. There's a little piece like right in here that you can put your wire through, and it has the adapter to hook up into the horn. So right here is the adapter that they gave me. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it in. Now I'm gonna route it through right here. Let's go ahead and put the bolt in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and torque this down because that's exactly what it says to do. And honestly, ever since I had bolts come loose, I've always wanted to torque down stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab my torque wrench. It says it torque down to 22 foot-pounds. Use your handy dandy torque wrench. Right here is our good old Thrash Racing wheel. We got the cover, and then we got the horn as well. First thing I'm gonna basically do, I'm gonna get the steering wheel in place, and then I'm gonna connect the horn and make sure everything works. So I figured out how the horn works. It took me a little bit to get used to, but that adapter you plug in, and you, oh shit, hold on, that's exactly how it works. right, so I'm gonna go ahead, take off the steering wheel so I can go ahead and put the horn on and make sure everything's all dialed and good. Let's go ahead and get the steering wheel off. Basically got everything set up. Everything should be good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw the cover over on the short hub. Now we can go ahead and throw the steering wheel on. Make sure the horn's in there. For the cover, I want to make sure the horn's hooked up. So we will hook it up to the horn. Make sure the horn's straight. I don't want it to bother me. And let's put these in. All right, so finally got the steering wheel in. Everything looks nice. Here's what it looks like. Then everything's put back together. I tried to finish it, I thought I had it right. But basically the horn was going off every single time I touched ground. And I couldn't figure out what it was. So every single time I put the horn on, it would go off, even without pushing the button. So basically what I found out is that I was hooking it up to the wrong wire, or the wrong, I was hooking it up to the ground. And basically you gotta hook up to the positive, so then whenever this touches, it'll activate, but then when you push down on it, the horn will actually go off. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, hook it up to the blue wire right here, hook that up to the positive right here, and then we're gonna go ahead, throw the wheel on. All right, so here, putting the horn in, making sure it's straight. Where's the other piece? We'll grab this piece. It on, make sure the lines match up. Now my top is the little red markers, so I'm gonna have to turn my wheel a little bit to make sure that my wheel is straight, or connect it first and then make sure the wheel is straight. Alright, so now we got the steering wheel in. I'm gonna go ahead, tighten down the battery. Alright, battery's all tightened. So we'll go ahead, drop the hood, and then start her up. Oh, look at that, everything's good. Sick. So, look, there we go, horn works too. Just to recap everything, basically it was just loosen the bolts. Honestly, you, like for the JDM ones, you really don't need to take like the covers off. All you really got to do is loosen that bolt, the bottom bolt in the steering wheel, pop the cover off, loosen the center bolt for the wheel, and everything from there, and just make sure that you hook up to the positive whenever you hook up the blue wire. I don't know why I was like overthinking it. I'm super happy with the wheel, super happy with everything turned out. It's a learning lesson, never done this before, so it's my first time, and I'm glad, you know, hopefully this can help you or the people that, you know, own JDM Supras, because it's a little different than people who have, you know, USDM Supras and everything. All right, so Brennan just got here. Look at this 370 Nismo. He's right here. Hi. Say what's up. What's up? Brennan next right on the Instagram. Yes, sir. Over here, and then Madison's in the back on his phone. So, but we're gonna go down to SAC. We're gonna go meet up with Alex, and then we're gonna go meet up with Gohan. And then, yeah, as of right now, that's who we're gonna meet up with. We're gonna head down there, go shoot at this one spot. So we'll see you in a few. All right, so we made it to the parking garage here with Gohan Films.
What's up?
To the Instagram right over there. I'm here with Kyle Coochie.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Coochie Man over here.
Coochie Man.
There's Kyle's LS. Shit's fire. Shit's sheesh. It's just gas. And that's LS. Big sad. I'm just kidding. No, the process. The process.
I just got it. I'm about to get 2-inch flares in about a week or so. Painting the car black, going full VIP. You know what I'm saying?
Jeez.
Yes, sir.
And then the Mudda Pupra. And then Brennan's over there. Oh, just kidding. That's Madison. Brennan's over there. Sorry, I got distracted by all the freaking camera gang fucking gear. Look at all this. I didn't know we were with a ball. Oh shit! Look at it. What does it say? Bamber. Look at Gamber King. That's what it says. We're still waiting on Alex to get here, but he says he's probably like 10 minutes away. So we're gonna shoot probably some of the Supra, and then I'm gonna get photos of Kyle's car too. All right, so I forgot to vlog a little bit, but Alex took photos and left. He hopefully might be meeting up with us later. But I took photos of my car and then Kyle's car. Super fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the photos up right about now. So right now we're gonna go, as I was, we're gonna go ahead and go get some insomnia cookies. You want cookies or not?
Yeah, really bad.
Do you want cookies?
Yeah, fuck it, let's go.
You want oh yes, she wants cookies. Okay, I don't even have to ask. And we're gone. Hey bro, do you want cookies?
I'm down.
Alright, we're gonna go get some Mutta cookies. And yeah, so we're gonna go over there right about now.